Hello and welcome back to this Test Modeler 101 video series where we're going to be looking at code templates. There are many different code templates available inside Test Modeler, but each of these code templates are related to an automation framework. Because Test Modeler uses templates to create automation, you can define any code-based language that you want inside of Test Modeler. Then, once you define the templates, you can connect that automation framework to a Git repository to enable you to publish the generated automation assets from Test Modeler to your CI/CD pipeline. When creating a new project in Test Modeler, you have the option to choose from a number of quick start frameworks. See here we have web, mobile, API, and mainframe as examples. Alternatively, if you have some custom framework or some custom automation that you want Test Modeler to create, then you can come in and select this custom option. Now in the trial account this is disabled, but in the full version of Test Modeler you can come in and set up your own code templates, you can clone them from an existing repository, or you can start from scratch. These code templates define exactly how code is generated inside Test Modeler. There are two types, page objects and test case templates. The page object generates the page objects and the classes, and the test case creates the test scripts. Inside the code template menu, there are documentation and keywords displayed, and these are fully customizable to match any custom framework that you might have. Here on screen, you can see a few examples. You see we've got things like C# Selenium, Cypress, desktop automation, Dynamics 365, and the list goes on and on.